Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to star a community message using WhatsApp Web on your PC. This feature is part of WhatsApp's new update and is perfect for keeping track of important messages within your communities. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting web.whatsapp.com in your browser and logging in using the QR code displayed on the screen. Once logged in, you'll see all your chats and communities neatly organized on the left side menu. Next, locate the Community section in the left side menu and click on it. This will display all the communities you are part of. Select the community you want to work with by clicking on its name. Once inside the community, scroll through the conversation to find the message you wish to star. When you've located the message, hover over it to reveal a small menu icon, usually represented by 3 dots or an arrow. Click on this menu icon next to the message. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, select Star. Congratulations! You've successfully starred a message in your community. Starring messages is a fantastic way to mark significant information or reminders within your community chats. It makes it easier to revisit these messages later without having to scroll through lengthy conversations. And that's it. You now know how to star a community message on WhatsApp Web using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from learning this feature. Thank you for tuning in, and happy messaging.